Thicker than a stick of butter.
Oh, wow.
Stop it. You can stop it then.
I'll just put music over it. Alright, so we finally made it here. We're gonna be doing Animal Kingdom first. We are running late. What time is our slot for 11:45, and we have 2 minutes to get to the end of the park. I don't know if we'll make it or if they'll even let us on anymore now. But I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it. Dude, it's hot out here. So all my friends that were telling me when we come down here, they're like, dude, you're gonna get hit with a buttload of can't breathe. And yeah, I cannot breathe. This makes me feel so out of shape. I mean, I'm already out of shape, but still it makes me feel even more. Never forget, never forget. So first attraction of the day is gonna be the Kilimanjaro Safari. You excited for this one? Kason? Yeah. Yeah? This one's gonna be awesome. A lot of people told me that we should have came earlier for it, but I slept in, so we kind of missed it. Yeah, tired from flying for like 9 hours and having delays and stuff. But we're here now. Here we go, Kason. Ready?
Let's go.
Yeah. Whoa! Holy smokes!
Another really cool fact about the bongo is that they have very different color receptors in their eyes than us humans do. So while their stripes do appear sort of yellowish white.
You see him right here, Kason?
Scary and very nasty bone-crushing bite. They're used for more than just catching their prey. For instance, the Nile crocodile actually. But these with the darker, more irregular texture are my personal favorites. Think that they're so fun to look at, kind of like a messy art project in a good way. On the very back left of that field, there's some sable antelope lying down there as well. Giraffe out here like to use them as a scratching post. Now, in the literature forest, I mentioned that the giraffe and the okapi were related, and I talked a bit about their prehensile tongues. But there is one key difference, and that's the color. The giraffe here have purple tongues.
In the water.
So no, they are not born pink. They're born more of a grayish-black coloring. You might notice those colors. White rhino weigh about 2,000 pounds more than the black rhino, for a total of 5,000 pounds. The lions, however,
right there.
are far more nocturnal than the cheetah, spending about 16 to 20 hours out of their day resting.
It is Simba, but grown
But when
up.
it is time for the hunt, it's always the lioness. Now this male lion here, his name is Dakari. He is
Dakari.
Very handsome, so handsome in fact that he was used as the model for the live-action Lion King Simba. So congratulations, you just met a celebrity in flesh and bone right there.
Yeah. That ride was pretty awesome. We rode the Simba 1, which I don't know what that means, but apparently that's something awesome. What did you think, Kason?
I liked it.
You liked it? What did you think, LESLYN?
It was cool, but
It was cool,
I
huh?
didn't need
Huh?
to. More interactive than a normal.
Yeah. He's already tired. He hasn't even been walking and he's already tired. Why are you so tired for?
I want to piggyback ride.
You want a piggyback ride? He wants a piggyback ride. I'm not gonna give it to him.
It feels a lot bigger than that.
It does, huh? Alright, here we go, guys. It's like the one that we went on to when we were at California Adventure.
Grizzly.
The Grizzly, yeah. The Grizzly River Run is what it's called. This is just different themed, I guess. This is gonna be awesome. Just like last time. I'm hoping LESLYN gets soaked this time too. Oh yeah, here we go, baby. Why are you screaming already? It's a chupacabra. Oh my goodness. The anaconda. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. I was not expecting expecting that.
Seems like it.
We're done already?
So you get one big drop here, the other one you get.
That's it? Grizzly River one was definitely better than this one. You only have one big drop here as compared to 2 over there at the California one. So I would rate this one out of 10, maybe a 4. Not worth the wait either. Kason wanted to go on the Everest expedition one. I don't know how he's gonna feel about this because I didn't like it that much, but it's different here than California. The California one, you're all singles. These ones are doubles, so he can sit next to me. But we'll see how he likes it. I don't think he's gonna like it. You really want to go on this, Kason?
Yeah.
All right, he's the boss. All right, here we go, Kason. You ready for this one? I'll hold you, okay? This is Kason's first time, dude. This is Kason's ride, okay, guys? Don't blame me, all right? What did you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
You like that one? Heck yeah. Huh? There's no more. It ended already. Sam, he wants to go on it again.
No.
So the next ride is gonna be one of the Avatar rides. Only me and Sam can get on it. And then we're on the wait list for the Navi ride. Right? That's the ride we're waiting for? The Navi?
Lightning time, they call it lightning.
Oh wait, I know, but like that's the one we're waiting for, Navi, right?
Yeah.
LESLYN said that's one of those like experience rides. Kason didn't like it too much. He said it was too boring for him, but it's okay. There's other rides. You would have thought that ride was boring? Yeah. Dang, he doesn't know Avatar though. It's great. Like if you show your kids the movie, the colors in the cave and everything it was good. I enjoyed it. Very relaxing. It felt really, really good in there. So here in Pandora, we got the Night Blossom drink for me and Kason because we don't drink, and obviously Kason can't drink. Oh dang, sorry Kason, it's leaking, drink it. And Sam and LESLYN are gonna share the, what is it called? The Maro Margarita? Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome though. And we also got a Navi sized pretzel. So yeah, Kason already looks like he likes to drink though. Is it good? Yeah?
What a little ball.
Cheese and pretzels pretty good. If you guys dip your pretzels in cheese, let me know in the comments. So as of recording this, Jay says to give him a shout out. So Here's your shout out, Jay. Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks.
Going back to nature.
No to the flight of passage. It's too long, and it won't let us use our genie, so we just said screw it. We're not gonna wait like the 80 minutes or whatever it is for it, especially since it's not letting us use genie. So we're just gonna spend the rest of the day for Kason, just let him go on whatever rides he wants to.
We could have went on it if we knew that other ride was hella quick.
Yeah, the boat ride was cool, but I don't know. We should have used it on the other one, but it's okay. Now we're gonna go to just hang out with Kason. The food though, the food from Pandora, the pretzel was super salty. And the alcohol drink, how was it?
Too much tequila.
Too much tequila. She said too much tequila. So I don't drink, so I don't know what's too much or too less.
It's supposed to be more blended.
It's more blended. I took a little sip though, I'm not gonna lie, and it was disgusting. It reminded me why I don't drink. Next stop, Dino Land. This is for Kason, for Aaron, because Aaron loves dinosaurs. So we're gonna go on the rides here. All right. You ready for the rides, Kason?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Which ride you wanna go on first?
It's that
You wanna go on the dinosaur one? Let's do it. The wait time for this one is 10 minutes or less. 0 minutes. Come on, Kason. Let's go. Do it. You're gonna go up? You gotta make sure you go up, okay? I don't want you to be going down. You gotta stay up. Oh, doo-doo. Here we go. Let's go up even more. Yeah, go, Kason. Look at Aaron. Holy crap. It's a big old thing. You have to tell me which one it is, man. Because you know me, I'm bad with naming dinosaurs. I think it's a daddy long legs. All right, so we're calling it. We're gonna go home. I mean, not home, but like back to the timeshare. And we're gonna go swimming. We have to go to Target and get some other things, so we forgot some stuff. But we're probably gonna go in the pool, and that sounds like a good time. And we're here at Shake Shack. LESLYN says this is the equivalent to In-N-Out in California in the West Coast, Best Coast. This is what we're gonna see. At the Shake Shack, we got 3 fries. I got a triple burger. Sam got the smoke burger double. And then LESLYN got, I don't remember. Oh, and Sam got a hot dog. So did Kason. I forgot about that. So we tried the shake already. It's all right. It's not really better than In-N-Out, I would say, but it's good. This one is my triple.
This one's probably
That's
better.
my triple right there. Looking good. First, let's try the fry because
The fries are not special. They're just
there's regular fries. I mean, they're good. Let's try the hot dog for a little bit. Let's see.
We need some condiments on it.
The hot dog's not bad. A little overcooked, but it tastes good. Let's look at my burger. I feel like a lot of it is missing. It's all meat. They didn't even give me no lettuce. They didn't give me no lettuce. Oh, they did give me lettuce.
And I said no tomato.
There's my lettuce right there. I thought they gave me no lettuce. All right, let's try it out. Let's see.
Did they not cut the top of the bread? Is your guys' bread connected? Mine's connected together.
Mmm.
I ordered a single. So
The burger's pretty good. I like the burger. It's pretty good. I'm gonna eat this. So that's gonna be the end of the vlog for us. But Kason wants to go swimming, huh, Kason?
Yeah. Don't get allergy anymore.
He doesn't get allergies anymore, he said. But yeah, that's gonna be it for us. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. We're gonna go to Universal tomorrow. Huh, Kason? We're going to Universal?
Yeah.
All right, tell them to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.